I'm excited to jump back here today, which is our very first house that we bought. 2-bedroom house, 1 bathroom. We've converted it into a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom house. Fortunately, in this case, we could rip everything out, start fresh, design it exactly the way that we wanted to, with the end user in mind, and why it's led to be such a great investment and also house for young professionals. We've got a fairly basic kitchen, wasn't too expensive. Splashback all of the tiles all the way around. We had little USB sockets wherever we need to. Try and make sure that we've got at least 2 cupboards per tenant in the house. We've got a washer dryer in there. Washer dryers are really important. We went for the black trim and black grouting on this one. Black grouting we try and do obviously wherever we can. Considering this kitchen is 3.5 years old, it's done really well due to the cleaning team checks, and obviously the tenants have a place that they love to call home. We'll move on round. We were meant to have a fire door separating the kitchen from the living space due to us wanting a very sociable atmosphere. We've had people working from home here. This breakfast bar has been very versatile. So we like having an open space. It's multifunctional. So as a result, we opted for this stud wall, which is fireboarded. Fireboard, obviously staircase. There's no noise pollution into the hallways. It makes it obviously fire compliant, and then there's a bedroom just there. So that's obviously nice and noise reduction for there. But yeah. We'll head on upstairs. This room is the smallest in the house, and it's the only non-ensuite room. We'll show you the bathroom in a second. We went with quite a quirky sun-themed feature wall in this room because it has such a big window. A lot of light comes in here, especially summer. It's a very nice room to be in. This is all the original furniture, built-in wardrobe here. We've gone grey carpets everywhere to keep it tasteful but also hard wearing. You can see the USB sockets. We always try to put spotlights in each room, so each tenant, depending on how they have their room laid out, they can align the lights to different desk spaces or different areas like mirrors and whatever they would like. So let's go and have a look at the bathroom. So this room, as it's the only room without an ensuite. It has this almost off-suite, as we call it. Everything's pretty much as it was originally fitted. The only thing we've changed is the mixer tap. We have changed for the silver one due to the guarantee that we get on those. 5-year guarantee or 10-year guarantee, which is great, and they're very cost effective. Behind here is the boiler and mega flow. With 4 tenants in the house, we could have got away with just a very standard boiler. We wanted the option for every tenant to get up in the morning and have a shower at the exact same time. So obviously getting up for work, the very critical period is probably 7 till 8:30 in the morning. If everyone's showering at the same time, it's just a nightmare. Everyone starts arguing. So one thing that we've started putting in all of our properties, which has helped really drastically, we have a quadrant there around all of the high volume areas in en-suites and bathrooms. Saves everyone the hassle, and there's no ugly mouldy grout or mouldy silicone. So yeah, well, it's a treat. Now we're going to have a look at the other room, which is one of our favourites in the portfolio. We really like this room, quite a lot of character to it. Looking what it was like before, it was quite dingy, had a bit of an eerie feel to it. We've tried to use all of the different areas and different quirks of it. We've tried to get creative with the lighting, by the portholes. They're really good for borrowed light. When the door's shut, it brings the light through from the Velux. When we added this whole ensuite, we thought it was really important. The room's big enough anyway. I think it's about 18 metres squared. It's more than enough room for an ensuite bedroom. You can see by this feature wall, we are very passionate about having the right feature wall for the room. This room obviously needs to be that wall. It wasn't very popular with the painters. That wall was too dark. In there, it's just too awkward. It just had to be that one. And as you come up the stairs coming into the room, the green sets quite a nice tone. Works really well with the wood. It just makes it a nice place to live, and it's a nice place to chill out as a young professional. And you've got your workspace there with the Velux window. Yeah, no, it's kept really well.